Oh yeah.
Move, Frankie. Oi, Brett.
We got it. That's not too bad. I thought it'd be a real vicious thing.
Homemade hook, eh?
Good old Aussie fencing wire.
Eel for dinner.
Oh my god! Ew, that's creepy. Oh my god! It's not happy. Are you for real? Show me that. What do you use? Oh my god. Look at Frank. Oh.
You can't tell if they're electric or not, so that could be the problem.
What do you mean? Where's Brett? What do you mean electric?
It could be electric eel. You don't know.
Look. Oh my god. Don't get hurt. It looks like a little snake.
That's...
Oh, it reminds me too much of a snake.
I know, they're really creepy.
It could.
What did he just do?
It could be an electric eel, Gary.
Yeah.
Look at that head, that big head
What
on it.
happened? What?
Oh, you did electric wire.
I have done with them. There you go, you did it.
Oi, Brett, can you bring those pliers over?
I'm done with them.